All right, guys, so yesterday we finished up with the tour and like got in the car, had to move on to our next meeting, stopped filming. So the tour was great. We're really excited for the seminar in Philly. I'm gonna be putting out some more information for you guys about the tickets and things like that in the coming days. So stay tuned for that. Now it's the next day, we're here. It's just me and Riley today. Riley, quick, show me your leggings. She looks good, just give me the camera. She looks so good, look at her. In the shirt and the red leggings. She's like, can I wear these there? Yes, Riley, we are the business owners.
You gotta represent the colors.
Wherever we want to go. I was like, should I wear a button down? I don't wear button downs, this is what I wear. So we're here at the Philadelphia 201 to see Dr. Brett Steenbarger speak. He's I'd say like top 3 in the world trading psychologist. So it was kind of something that I felt like Riley and I had to jump on. I pushed all the other Philly traders to come, but nobody wanted to buy the $100 ticket for whatever reason, because they don't see the value in this. But even for someone like me that's running an education business, you gotta be pushing yourself forward. So listen, guys, no matter what it takes, you need to invest in your own education, invest in yourself. That's what we're doing today. It's 2 hours. We're gonna go sit in there. It's a little early. We're all right, but we're gonna get smarter. We're gonna get a lot of value out of it. And who knows who we'll meet. So we're gonna do this, bang this out, hopefully get you some clips. Little Riley will see a couple clips of me or whatever she can do in there. Me taking notes. And then we're meeting up with some friends for lunch. And then we are on our way out. So let's go. Way to sit up there. I think we should stay up there.
Should we go back up?
Yeah. Wait. I'm trying to go up and down this. Oh my God. Ready? All right, guys, so we are just finishing up, kind of sweaty from the seminar. Me and Riley both were like, why are we so sweaty?
Because we drank coffee and didn't eat. Right,
but then also like I was very focused. Like I wish I could show you guys all the notes I took. Here, we'll walk to the car and we can talk. I feel like the biggest takeaway from the entire thing would probably be when he was explaining how important detachment is, because it's something that you hear me talk about to the traders that we work with all the time.
Yeah.
But like separating from money, and you're talking to a guy who literally works with the biggest and best traders over the last 30 years. Paul Tudor Jones, like Peter Brandt, like it kind of blows my mind, honestly. Like that we just shook his hand and stuff, and like the people, Mike Bellafiore, the guy Steve that runs SMB, like all these people that are like the ballers of the business, he works with them and he still tells them to detach from the money, and they're trading $100 million accounts. Wasn't the thing he says like, yeah, the smallest account at the one firm was 50 million?
No, he said it was 200 million.
200 million, the smallest. And I'm like, and you still tell them to detach from the money, because he's saying good trading has nothing to do with money, right? That was basically what he was explaining. Good trading is process driven, and actually he gave me a lot of good notes for some future videos that I'm going to explain kind of my take on his explanation of a trading process. So just a ton of value. It was so awesome. Got the picture, like just a cool dude, like a regular guy. Like I can see myself as him. Like he's up there trying to share his experiences over, how many years did he say he's been in the business? 50 years?
Yeah.
Right. He's a high performance coach, and I think like a lot of the stuff he's talking about makes yourself a better person. And if you're a better person, if you're positive, like I always tell you, get all the negative people out of our lives, get all the negative people away from us, because if we're positive, like he said, that study, that's actually a good thing. Listen to this, guys. He was explaining a study of these people who they both watched a flashing thing on the screen. But before the two test groups saw the flashing thing, one group saw the positive video and one group saw the negative video. Then they put both groups in this room to see this thing flashing on the screen. And they found that the positive people, the people that saw the positive clip beforehand, literally could see the periphery, the perimeter of the flashing screen more than the people that just saw the negative thing. And what it proved, and this is like a psychological test, it proved that if you're negative and you're really, thinking negative thoughts, negative self-talk, all those things, cultivating negativity within yourself, you're tunnel vision focused. And if that's how you are in real life, you're missing opportunities, you're missing relationships, you're missing everything. And then in trading, you're missing money. So it's like the negativity makes you narrow tunnel focused. The positivity makes you see everything. You're more open to opportunity. You're more willing to accept what's coming at you and flip it and make it work. So, I mean, like that's something I feel like I've also been saying, but he said it in a cool way. Now having that psychological study behind it makes me feel kind of smart. But anyway, it was dope. I'm really excited. I'm gonna hopefully share some of these clips with you guys, put a little video together. I appreciate you guys watching always, coming to the channel, checking me out. Do me a favor if you're new, if you like the video, drop a comment, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll probably see you in another trading recap. We don't vlog too often, so we'll see you in another trading recap.
And go check out the picture of Austin and Brett on Instagram. We'll put like a little post like right here. Go there.
He's taller than me, but I still look good. Ready? Come on, girl.